Hello everyone, welcome back with the third Sudoku. The third Sudoku, regular Sudoku. It's a killer Sudoku. And this killer Sudoku, the last regular Sudoku in today's newspaper of Wednesday, September the 23rd, 2020. Yes, the last regular Sudoku. There is also an additional with extra Sudokus in this newspaper with extra Sudokus, but first I will solve the regular Sudoku, and this one will be a number 1, 5, 9, 5. Alright, so let's get started. My first strategy is to find big squares with only one sharing box. We have here one big square with one sharing box. Here also with one sharing box. This one has two sharing boxes, but if I solve this one, then I have one sharing box. Here also with 2. Here also with 2. So I will count all these numbers. A big square, the total sum is 45. The total sum of a row, hey, this row also with one sharing box. The total sum of a row or in a column is always 45. So 7 plus 12 is equal to 19 plus 9 is 28. 28 plus 10 is equal to 38. So 45 minus 38 is a 7. This should be a 7. If you count all these numbers, the total sum will be 45. The box of 13, the combination here will be 7 plus 6. Let me go to this big square. 3 times a 10 is 30. 30 plus 8, also 38. So this should be a 7. In the box of 15, the combination will be 7 plus 8 is equal to 15. So now I have one digit more. So I can figure out what number this will be. So 15 plus 13 is 28. 28 plus 8 is 36. 36 plus 3 is equal to 39. 39, that means this box 39 should be a 6. 39 plus 6 is equal to 45. The total sum of a big square is 45. And the box of 13, the combination here will be 6 plus 7. Now I have one extra digit in this big square, so this sharing box, I will, if I count all these numbers, I will know what number this will be. 7 plus 3 is 10, 10 plus 18 is 28, 28 plus 9 is 37, equal to 37. That means this box, 37 plus 8, is equal to 45. The total sum of a big square is 45. Alright, here the combination will be 8 plus 3 is equal to 11, the box of 11. Alright, can I do this the same? No. Do we have a sharing box? No. Let me see. The other strategy is find boxes with only one combination. For example, the box of 17. There's only one combination for the box of 17. 8 plus 9. 8 plus 9. We have an 8 here, so no 8 there. 8 should be here. The 9 goes there. Then the box of 4, the only combination for the box of 4 is 3 plus 1. Let me mark them. 3 plus 1. Box of 16. 7 plus 9. We have a 7 here, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 9 goes there. Double 8 is not allowed. Alright. Triple box of 15. We have a 5 here, so these two together will be 10. Alright. Here also a triple box of 8. We have a 3 here, so those two boxes together is a 5. We have 2 combinations for the 5. 1 plus 4 or 2 plus 3. The 3 is already used, so these two should be 1 plus 4. 1 plus 4. 1 plus 4. Alright. 1, 4. 1, 4. Alright. Box of 15. There are 2 combinations. 8 plus 7 and 9 plus 6. And look, we have an 8 in this big square, so the 8 cannot be used anymore in this box of 15. So one combination is left. The 6 plus 9. 9 plus 6. 9 plus 6. Alright. And now we have 2 boxes left in this row. One of the missing number here is a 2. If I place the 2 in the box of 10, then the combination will be 2 plus 8 is equal to 10. 2 plus 8, the 8 is already used in this row, so I cannot use the 2 in the box of 10. So the 2 should be in the box of 7. The combination will be 2 plus 5, 2 plus 5, 2 plus 5, 2 plus 5. One box left in this row for the numbers 6 plus 4, 6 plus 4, 6 plus 4. Alright. Then alright. We are missing the 7 in this big square. The 7 is missing, and I see we already use a 1 in this big square, so I cannot place the 1 here. So this must be a 4, and this should be a 1. The 7 is missing, so it must be here or there. We see here 7, so no 7 there. 7 should be there. 8 plus 7 is equal to 15. 15 plus 2 is equal to 17. So now we have a 2 here. So this cannot be a 2 anymore. This should be a 5, and this should be a 2. 2 boxes left. One of the missing numbers is a 5. I cannot place the 5 in the box of 10, otherwise double 5 is not allowed in the box of 10. No. So the 5 should be in the box of 12. The combination will be 7 plus 5. We see here 5, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 2 boxes left in this big square for the number 6 and 4. Let me mark them. 6 plus 4. Alright. And then 1 plus. We have a 1 in one of those 2 boxes in this row. A 1 in that row. So in the row between, only 3 places for the 1 should be here, here, or there. I cannot place the 1 in the box of 12, otherwise the combination will be 1 plus 11. If I place the 1 in the box of 7, then the combination will be 1 plus 6. The 6 is already used in the box of 10, so I cannot place it here. 1 box left for the 1 should be here. The combination here in the box of 9 should be 1 plus 8. 2 boxes left. One of the missing number is a 5, and I cannot place the 5 in the box of 12, otherwise the combination will be 5 plus 7. The 7 is already used, so the 5 should be here. We see here 5, so no 5 there. 5 should be there, and the combination will be 5 plus 2. 2 numbers left. Those numbers are the 9 and the 3. We have a 9 in this row, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 3 goes there. And then 3 in this column, 3 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 3 places for the 3 should be here, here, or there. If I place the 3 here, then the combination will be 3 plus 8. The 8 is already used. So the 3 could be here or there. 11. If I place the 3 here, then 8 plus 3 is equal to 11. 11 plus 2 is equal to 13. The 2 is already used. So this is not the place to fill the 3 here. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. In the box of 8, the combination will be 3 plus 5. Alright. So 5 in this column, 5 in the column next. So in the last column, only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. The combination will be 2 plus 5. 2 plus 5. 2 numbers left. The 4 and the 9. We have a 9 here, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Combination in the box of 11 should be 9 plus 2. Here, the triple box, 8 plus 4 is 12. 12 plus 1 is equal to 13. 2 boxes left, the 7 and the 6. We have a 7 here, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 6 goes there. These 2 boxes together should be 10. We have a 7 here, this should be a 3. The box of 10, the combination will be 6 plus 4. Alright. Then we have 2 boxes left in this big square. One of the missing number is a 1. If I place the 1 in the box of 10, then the combination will be 1 plus 9. The 9 is already used in this big square, so no 1 in this box of 10. So the 1 goes in the box of 7. The combination will be 6 plus 1. 6 plus 1, we have a 1 here, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 8 and 2. We have an 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 2 goes there. The box of 3 should be the 2 and the 1. Only 1 combination. We have a 4 now, so this cannot be a 4 anymore. This should be the 4, and this should be the 6. 2 boxes left in this column. 1, 2, 3. The 4 and the 5 are missing. Let me mark them for you, 4 and a 5. That means the other 3 numbers should be the 9. The 6, we see here a 6, so no 6 there. Here 6, no 6 there. The only place for the 6 should be there. The 9 and the 3 are missing. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 3 plus 6 is 9. 9 plus 9 is 18. Correct. Alright. 3 in this row. 3 in that row. So in the middle row, the only 3 places for the 3 should be here, here, or there. I cannot place a 3 in a box of 13. Otherwise, the combination will be 3 plus 10. 10 is not allowed, so the 3 should be in one of these 2 boxes. Let me mark them for you. We have a box of 3. Only combination for the box of 3 is 2 plus 1. Then we have a 6 here. So this cannot be a 6 anymore. This should be the 6, and this should be a 4. 2 boxes left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, the 8 and the 9 are left. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 9 goes there. In the box of 13, the combination will be 9 plus 4. this triple box of 16. We have an 8 here, so those two boxes together will be an 8. One of the missing number is a 1, so 1 plus 7 it should be. Let me mark them. 1 plus 7, 1 plus 7, 2 plus 5. Alright, we have a 1 in this row, so this cannot be a 1. This should be the 1, and this should be a 7. Then let me see. 2 numbers left in the third row for the numbers 1 and 9. Let me mark them. 1 and 9. We have a 1 in this big square. We have a 1 in that big square. So wait. I cannot place a 1 here because we have a 1 in this big square in the box of 8. We have a 1 in this big square, so I cannot place a 1 in these two boxes. So the 1 should be here, and the 3 goes in there. Now we have a 3 here, so this box cannot be a 3. This box should be the 3. 2 boxes left, total of 12. Yes, we have the box of 12 and the box of 13. The 9 is missing. 9 could be here, yes. Alright, 8 in this column, 8 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be there. Combination in the box of 10 should be 8 plus 2. We have a 2 now, so this cannot be a 2 anymore. This should be the 2, and this should be a 1. We have a 1 now, so this cannot be a 1. This should be the 1, and this should be a 9. With a box of 8 and a box of 10. One of the missing number is a 3. I cannot place the 3 in a box of 10, otherwise the combination will be 3 plus 7. 7 is already used in this big square, so the 3 should be in a box of 8. The 3 could be here or there. We see here 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. The combination here, 3 plus 5. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 4 and 6. We see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Now we have a 6 here, so this cannot be 6 anymore. This should be the 6, and this should be a 9. 2 boxes left in the first column for the numbers 9 and 4. 9 and 4. We have a 9 here, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Now we have a 4 here, so this cannot be a 4 anymore. This should be a 5, and this should be a 4. 2 boxes left here for the numbers 7 and 5. We have a 7 here, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 5 goes in there. Then now we have a 5 here, so this cannot be a 5 anymore. This should be the 5, and this should be a 2. Now we have a 2 here, so this cannot be a 2 anymore. This should be the 2, and this should be the 1. Finish in 18 minutes. Alright, great Sudoku. I like this one, this killer Sudoku. If you like this, thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget, only if you like, only if you want, to subscribe and hit that bell button or bell icon to be notified by YouTube when I upload new Sudokus to my channel. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. See you later with the with extra Sudokus. Bye bye for now. Have a great day.